Hello children. Today we are here to discuss your worksheet. We will start with worksheet number 1. Worksheet number 1, pronoun. Before discussing pronoun, we want to know what is noun. As you studied in your first standard, you know that noun is a naming word which includes names of people, animal, place and thing. So what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun. A pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun. Examples: he, she, we, it, they, etc. are some pronouns. Look at the examples given in your worksheet. Mother is in the kitchen, dash cooks food. Here the noun is mother and we are using the pronoun she in the place of the noun mother. So your answer will be mother is in the kitchen, she cooks food. Look at the second example. Sonu is not feeling well, dash sleeps in his room. We have to replace the noun Sonu to a pronoun. So we are using he as a pronoun here. So the answer will be Sonu is not feeling well. He sleeps in his room. Okay, now we are moving with the exercises. Fill in the blanks with a suitable pronoun. Number 1. This is Lena. Dash is my teacher. This is Lena. Dash is my teacher. So Lena is the noun. We have to replace the noun Lena to a pronoun. So your answer will be this is Lena. She is my teacher. Look at the second one. Arun is in standard 1. Dash studies well. Here the noun is Arun. We have to replace Arun with the pronoun. So your answer, Arun is in standard 1. He studies well. Third exercise. Manu is a smart boy. Dash help his father. So Manu is the noun in the sentence. So we have to replace Manu with a pronoun. So we are using the answer he. So your answer will be Manu is a smart boy. He helps his father. Question number 4. Kala is a teacher. Dash teaches us maths. So Kala is the noun in this sentence. We have to replace Kala to a pronoun. So your answer, Kala is a teacher. She teaches us maths. Last exercise, number 5. Veena went to the market. Dash bought some fruits. Veena went to the market. Dash bought some fruits. So Veena is a noun that we have to replace with a pronoun. So your answer, Veena went to the market. She bought some fruits. Okay children, let's move to worksheet number 2. Worksheet number 2, parts of body. As you know, parts of our body includes legs, hands, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, etc. Let's look at the examples. I walk with my dash. I walk with my legs. Mother tastes food with her dash. Mother tastes food with her tongue. Now we are moving with the exercises. Fill up the sentences with parts of body. Number 1. I use my dash to run. Answer, I use my legs to run. Number 2. Meenu pick up things with her dash. Answer, Meenu pick up things with her hands. Number 3. Anu smells flowers with his dash. Answer. Anu smells flowers with his nose. Question number 4. Children use their dash to see. Answer. Children use their eyes to see. And the last one, the baby eats with her dash. Answer. The baby eats with her mouth. Okay. Dear children, now you can look at worksheet number 3. Rearrange the letters and write the correct spelling for each word. So in this worksheet, you can see that the letters of certain words are misarranged and you have to write the correct word. Look at the example. The letters are misarranged there and the correct word is elephant. Second example, the correct word is giraffe. Now look at the exercises. Number 1, when we arrange that words, we will get the answer camel. C-A-M-E-L, camel. Number 2, answer rabbit. Spelling R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Third one, snake. Spelling S-N-A-K-E, snake. And what is the fourth one? Fourth one is monkey. Spelling M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. And the last one, when we rearrange that letters, we will get the answer horse. Spelling H-O-R-S-E. Now we are moving to worksheet number 4. Vowels and consonants. As you know, English alphabet is divided into 2 as per the sound. That are vowels and consonants. There are 5 vowels in English and 21 consonants. The letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels and all other letters are called consonants. Let's look at the examples of vowels. There is 2 examples given for vowels: axe, umbrella. Examples of consonants: book, bag. Now look at the exercises of worksheet number 4. Write 25 words beginning with vowels. Write 25 words begins with vowels. That means the word should be begin with the letters A, E, I, O, U. So first one you can write apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Number 2, egg. E-G-G, egg. Number 3, ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Number 4, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. And number 5, uncle. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Now we are moving to write 5 words begin with consonants. There are 21 consonant letters in English, so you can write any 5 words begin with the consonants. Let's write number 1, dog. D-O-G, dog. Number 2, cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Number 3, pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Number 4, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. And number 5, sun. S-U-N, sun. So, you can write any other words which start with vowel sound and consonant sound. Okay. Dear children, we are moving to worksheet number 5, is or are. When the subject of a sentence is singular, we use is. And when the subject is plural, we use are. Then what is the subject? Subject means noun, the main noun of a sentence. So the noun of the sentence is a singular. Singular means only one. We use is, and when the subject is plural, plural means more than one, we use are. Okay, look at the examples. There dash one book in my bag. So the subject is singular, only one book is here, so we are using is. There dash four pencils in the box. Here the subject pencils is plural, so we are using are. Then look at the exercises. Use is or are. Number 1. There dash 7 mangoes. The subject is plural, so we are using the answer are. There are 7 mangoes. Number 2. There dash a big tree. The subject is singular, so we are using is. So the answer, there is a big tree. Number 3. There dash one dog. Here also the subject is singular, one dog, so we are using is. So the answer, there is one dog. Number 4. There dash many flowers. Here the subject is plural, flowers, so we are using are. The answer, there are many flowers. Last and final one, number 5. There dash 4 boys in the park. Here also the subject is plural, 4 boys, so we are using are. The answer, there are 4 boys in the park. Next, worksheet number 6, plurals. So already we learned that plural means more than one. We add s to some words to form their plurals. When we add the letter s to some words, we get the plurals. Example, boy, boys, cow, cows. So in this way, we have to do the exercises given in worksheet number 6. Write the plurals. Number 1, book. Answer, books. Number 2, pen. Answer, pens. Number 3, bag. Answer, bags. Number 4, apple. Answer, apples. And number 5, cup. Answer, cups. Okay. Worksheet number 7, a, an or the. So already we learned vowels and consonants. So when we are using a consonant sound, when a word is starting with a consonant sound, we are using a before it. A is used before a consonant sound. Example, dash book. Answer, a book. Another example, dash cat. Answer, a cat. An is used before a vowel sound. If the word is starting with a vowel sound, we are using an before that word. Example, dash apple. Answer, an apple. Dash ox. Answer, an ox. The next one, the. The is used before the names of rivers, mountains, famous buildings, holy books, natural bodies, etc. So, we are using the before the names of rivers. For example, the Ganga. Before the names of mountains. Example, the Everest. before the names of famous buildings. Example, the Red Fort. Before the names of holy books. Example, the Bible. And before the names of natural bodies. Example, the sun. Okay, now we are moving with the exercises given in worksheet number 7. Write a, an or the. Number 1. Dash Ramayana. Ramayana is a holy book, so we have to write the Ramayana. Answer, the Ramayana. Number 2. Dash owl. The word owl is starting with the vowel sound O, so you have to use an. So the answer is an owl. Number 3. Dash earth. Earth is an example of natural body, so you have to use the. Answer, the earth. Number 4. Dash lion. The word lion starting with a consonant sound, so you have to use a. Answer, a lion. And number 5. Dash elephant. The word elephant is starting with a vowel sound, so you have to use an. Answer, an elephant. Okay, dear children, now we are moving to the last worksheet, worksheet number 8, opposites. As you know, words have opposite meanings. So look at the examples. What is the opposite of the word big? Yes, the opposite of big is small. And what is the opposite of the word long? Yes, the answer is short. Opposite of the word long is short. Okay, now we are moving with the exercises given in worksheet number 8. Write the opposites. Number 1, good. The opposite of the word good is bad. B-A-D, bad. Number 2, black. The opposite of the word black is white. W-H-I-T-E, white. Number 3, clean. The opposite of the word clean is dirty. Spelling D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Number 4, the word is hot and the opposite is cold. Spelling C-O-L-D. Number 5, sour. The opposite of the word sour is sweet. Spelling S-W-E-E-T. And the last one, happy. The opposite of the word happy is sad. Spelling S-A-D, sad. Okay. Dear children, here we finish our worksheet. You have to write all the answers on the worksheet and also copy all the answers on the back side of your English notebook. Thank you.